In this video, we're going to be unboxing the RR10 from Axial. It's the Bomber. We got one. We're going to be unboxing it and taking it out for its first drive. Welcome everyone. If you're new to the channel, this is Roadside RC. My name is Troy. What you'll typically find here is crawling and bashing and drifting and racing, plus product review videos and how-tos. And what we're going to do is get this Bomber out of this box. There it is. Check it out. So there's the Savvy edition, there's the Bomber Fabrication edition. That's the one that we got. Let's get it out of this box. Oh, look at that. That is one pretty fun, cool looking truck right there. Check it out. Big, beautiful shocks on it. Look at the details we have here. Light bar in the front, light bar in the rear. We have the case back here, the fuel cell. Look inside the drivers. We have detailed cockpit with stickers. We have drivers. Underneath the hood here, lift up this panel. You have access for a battery up here. We have our IC3 connector straight to, yes, it is a brushed ESC and motor in there. Man, pretty good looking. You know, this Bomber Fabrication, this is the one that comes with the chrome wheels. I don't know. I'm kind of excited to get out and give it a shot. What do you think? I'm going to be using this Genzace 2200 3-cell battery because it will fit in there with room to spare, but still give me that 3S punch that I'm looking for. Oh, look at those cool lights all turned on. I didn't realize it initially. It even has these are directional, aimable little rock lights right there. That is awesome. What is the back? Yep, we got the back lights on. Looking good. Now, you can tell that this is one of the, of course, older Axial designs, mostly just from the front. Look at the flex in that front linkage. Look at that. I mean, that's just crazy. Like, go the other way. Womp, 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 womp. So this is clearly something that we will be upgrading very quickly, is the spaghetti plastic that tends to come on some of these older Axial designs like this. So yes, the torque twist with this in its stock form is actually pretty much just at this point comical. I mean, it's like it's waving hi to you, like hi, hi, hi. And yes, this is supposed to be a rock racer, but at the end of the day, if you try to take any kind of corner at any kind of speed at all, it just wants to flip over. It does not take a long drive to really feel a couple things about this bomber pretty well known. It's really high in the air, very top heavy, and a surprisingly small amount of front suspension travel for being so high up in the air. Rear suspension has a lot of travel, front doesn't, but vehicle's very top heavy, so whatever we can do to get it down, reducing the weight by getting rid of the spare tire and some of that stuff back there would help it immensely. The drag brake is only set at 50% from the factory, so swapping the jumper over on that ESC to 100% drag brake would help it a noticeable amount. We already mentioned the front steering here and definitely what we could do for an upgrade there. The stock tires are not bad, but we will probably do a different tire on those. Might leave these factory beadlocks because they look really good. Actually, it's a really good looking wheel that they have on there, but we might get some stickier tires to go on it that way. Otherwise, power felt good, maybe not quite as powerful as you'd want, but in good shape. I need to double check the manual because this factory the factory axial transmission used to come with all plastic gears, and so we're going to have to put metal gears in there because those will strip. They will be gone. But overall, man, maybe I like the paint job, I like the design, but maybe a different graphic look to it. I don't know. A sway bar, definitely a sway bar. It wants to do this. It's like it's waving at you. It's like it's saying hi. It's waving at you every time. A rear sway bar would do wonders for this truck. So sway bars, tires, figuring out how to get it down a little bit lower overall, a few things like that, and this truck would be really a whole nother level. And now I hope that you've made it to the end of this video because you're going to be the first one to know what I'm going to be doing with this. This is going to be a giveaway. Yes. So, I purchased this at the Horizon, making a deal flash sale, reduced price. I'm going to throw some parts at it. We're going to do some upgrades to it, and we're going to give it away to one of you who watches this channel. So you better stay tuned for all the build videos of this and some of the running videos of it so that you know when you should be able to enter in to win. So keep that right there. Let me know down in the comments. Are you excited to win this? What do you think? So let me know down there. And while I open up the catalog and start looking at parts for this thing, I want you to come over here and check out some other crawling videos and things like that that we've made in the past. And we will see you in that video. So thank you and goodbye.